How to buy USDT with Apple Pay. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, and then in the search bar, search for Binance.com. It will land you on this official page of Binance. Enter your login credential and then sign in to your specific account. Well, in order to buy USDT with Apple Pay, first of all you must have the MasterCard. Well, it looks something like this. Once you have your card, click on Deposit at the top right. Different options will be available to you. Simply click on Buy Crypto. It will redirect you to this page. Well, now in the Spend section, you have to select USD. And in the Receive section, you have to set it to USDT. Once you are done, enter the amount that you prefer. Well, let's say if you enter 15, you will receive 14.41 USDT. Likewise, set the amount according to your need. And once you have entered, click on Verify and Buy. And then you have to enter your Apple Pay information and then make the payment. So that's it, and this is simply how you can buy USDT with Apple Pay. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.